So your driver is detained right now because your all's IFTA is revoked. So the reason why that I wrote your driver is because all the paperwork that he has in his folder is a different IFTA number that's revoked.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky. I could be the...
Hey, what it do, YouTube family? HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, we back in this mud sucker, baby. Today we picking up in Shelbyville, Indiana, and we gonna swing on down to Forest Park, Georgia, baby. Come on, take a ride with your boy. Yeah,
It's I-1 you're coming up.
I-1? Okay,
Yeah.
all right, appreciate you.
Quick one, this is the fuel
I know
line.
where it is. Yeah, I know. All right, you too. Alright, we looking for trailer number R223. R223. R223.
Turn left. Straight.
Alright, set temperature supposed to be on 33. Good on this. Just pre-tripping the trailer right now. Sorry guys, I ain't just really able to vlog how I want to vlog because I'm kind of rushing to pick up this load. It's kind of last minute, so I really ain't got time to do what I normally do. But y'all know the routine, man. Y'all don't know what I do, just go back and check out my videos. It'll tell you step by step. We finna hook up to this trailer, get on out of here, man. We gotta get some fuel. And man, we gotta be there at 7 o'clock. We got a 6:26 ETA, so let me get out this phone and handle my business, y'all. What's up, bro?
Pull up, put the seal in the door, okay?
All right. Time to get some thrill, baby. Hey, what it do, family? Hey, man, I got pulled over in the weigh scale. I gotta go bring them the paperwork, cab card, and all that type of stuff. Woo, I'm nervous, man. But we finna see what's going on, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. This right here is a good one. Hey, how you doing?
Doing all right, how you?
All right.
Who you driving for?
Oh, well, Express Cargo.
RIZQ Transport?
Yeah, that's me. Express Cargo. Yeah.
Got RIZQ on there.
Yeah, Rizzo. Yeah.
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 All right, you got your license on there?
Yes, sir.
Is that your shipping papers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is. How you doing? I'm good. I just want to check your paperwork, sir.
You have your registration for your truck?
You said you just looking for the truck insurance, right? You said
Registration.
registration.
If they can send it to you on your phone digitally, that's fine.
Okay.
I just need that paperwork.
Okay. Okay. Can I call him in here, or do I gotta go back to the
Yeah,
truck?
you can call them in here.
Okay.
Oh, it's on the front here.
Oh man. Yeah.
We both missed that. Hey, this is Inspector Arbor, Kentucky State Police. How are you doing today?
How are you?
Good. So your driver is detained right now because your all's IFTA is revoked.
Yeah, so I really keep done now by
So the reason why that I wrote your driver is because all the paperwork that he has in his folder is a different IFTA number that's revoked. We'll get this part back. Can you give me your trailer registration?
Trailer registration.
Yeah.
Okay.
If it's
Finish up this.
if it's not plated or on the front of your trailer, just take a picture of your plate and I'll look it up.
Okay. All right. Be right back. All right, guys. So we gotta get this trailer registration real fast. Everything legit, man. I know y'all probably heard the D.O.T. officer. He was talking. He was saying somebody was detained. One time about me, baby. One time about the kid, baby. But we finna get this trailer registration real fast. Man, I'm sitting up here looking for my cab, my truck registration, and the whole time the shit right here in the in the front of my binder or whatever. I'm finna get this trailer registration real fast and go back in here, man, so we can be on our happy merry way, man. I'm already late for the appointment, but hey, I got another reason to justify it, you know. I gotta find something to get that out with. That thing would not open. I done had all kind of trailers where that thing just comes straight on off of there. Now all of a sudden they don't want to come off. I wonder if I got something I can use. Alright guys, we got it off. Got the paperwork. Let's go see if this work, man. I ain't gonna even lie, man. I done got away probably about a good 5.5 years, you know, without getting pulled into the scale. Yeah, I got pulled in some years back, man, and I ain't had no problem until today. You good? That's what's up, man. Be safe.
Level 3 inspection, no violation. I'm good.
Good job, man. Good job. All right. Thank you. He got a level 3 inspection. He passed his.
Did you pick up in Ohio?
No. This trailer here?
Yeah.
Indiana?
Shelbyville?
Yes, sir.
Where you going to?
Heading to Forest Park, Georgia.
You been off daggone nosy.
He doing his job. Y'all got a bad picture of me, man. That thing don't take no good pictures.
Now, we got a good camera.
He got good.
Whatever takes a picture of was.
Yeah. It snap fast too, so gotta be on point coming through there.
Yeah.
Look at that right there. That's clear right there. Yeah, that's HD.
Yeah, it does a pretty good job.
Yeah.
Do you have your logbook?
I got like ELD.
Okay, can you bring it in? Yeah, you can send it if you know how.
Matter of fact, you know what? Hey man, get what I just had, y'all. A level 3. Guess who just passed this level 3, baby? Me! Ha! Let's get back on this road, baby. Yeah. Alright guys, so we done made it to our receiver. Safely and sound. Another bag dropped off, baby. Another bag secured, man. You know what I'm saying? Once again, man, I want to appreciate all my brand new subscribers, all my new viewers. Like I always say, even if you're not subscribed, you just come along and because you like to ride with your boy. I appreciate that, man. Until next time, baby. Peace.